Good morning, everybody. Coming to you today. This is the V-10 project. Got the engine and transmission and everything out of the fugly duckling. Found a lot of goodies in that truck. Getting ready to make its last ride. Engine runs out real well. Don't need much. I figured I'd do a startup for you today. Got my fuel, got my battery, got my engine. Well, let's see how this goes. Nothing real sophisticated here. It was real nice and smooth. Don't bounce around on the floor at all. Good engine. Only had 183,000 on her. Runs out great. Had a lot of stuff that I got off from that donor vehicle. A lot of good stuff. She starts right up every time. Can't believe how great she does run. Nothing wrong with that engine. Well, I'll be making more videos for you. Keep you posted on the V10 conversion. Y'all have a great day. Be safe out there and stay warm. It's colder than heck up here. We'll see you all around. Thank you. Bye.